You're late, Nisha.
No.
Again. That's all you
Come on, you just
had?
gotta put your weight in.
That's terrible. Good thing we're doing strength training today. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Relentless Fit 365. This is your weekly vlog where I talk about fitness and nutrition and anything else that matters to you in just living a healthier and happier life. And today, what I wanted to discuss with you was fitness lifestyle. And I understand there is a difference between fitness lifestyle and fitness life. I also recognize that not everybody can make fitness their life, that we all have schedules, we all have different things that deter us and distract us from actually having it encompass everything that we do. In fact, I would even argue that that's not always a good thing. Fitness is a passion for me. I understand it's not always a passion for everybody. However, passion or not, I believe we all can somehow find a way to make fitness and make health and healthier living a part of our lifestyle, and here's why. Push-ups! Okay, I understand the big answer isn't in just push-ups. However, it's a beginning, and push-ups are a simple movement, and most people can do them, and even if you can't, there are ways to modify and adjust where push-ups could just at least be the standard to do something like this. So for the past couple of weeks, I've taken this fitness lifestyle concept and put it into practice with something simple like push-ups. And what I've been doing is, for the past couple of weeks, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, I picked those days because it just fit better within my own life and my own schedule to work it in that way. But on those four particular days, I'm doing 1,000 push-ups for those days. Now, I'm not doing 1,000 all at once. First of all, I can't do 1,000 push-ups all at once. And if you can, you're a freak and you're a superhero, and leave a comment in the comment section below and tell us your secret, because I'd like to know. But what I have been doing is breaking them up, and in order to reach my 1,000, I picked a number that I can do pretty easily. So I picked 25 push-ups. I can do that in a short period of time. I don't struggle with it, and it's something that I can bang out within 30 seconds. So I actually have to do 40 sets of push-ups of 25 reps. Now, it sounds daunting if you think about it, but if you look at it in a smaller picture, it's not so bad. So I will tell you that the morning really sets the stage as to how well I do for the rest of the day. So it's imperative that I stick to a certain format, a pattern, to get that done. And I do. So I wake up, I roll out of my bed, I fall to the ground. Yes, I actually sleep on a cot, not that particular cot, but I do sleep on a cot. I think it's the best way to sleep, but that's beside the point. Anyway, I'm on the ground and I bang out 25 push-ups. I will tell you that those are the hardest 25 push-ups I do for the entire day, including my last 25 push-ups at the end of the day when it equals 1,000. I kid you not, because my body doesn't want to do it. It's still waking up, it's rebelling, it's saying, Jake, you're an idiot, don't do this, and I have to fight through all those voices in my head that's telling me to stop. So after those 25, it gets a little bit easier. I have breakfast, I do another 25 push-ups. I meander around for a little while, and then I end up going to the shower. Before I take a shower, I do another 25 push-ups, and then I get dressed, and before I leave the door, I do my last 25 push-ups. So before I even start my day and get on the train and head to the gym, I'm at 100 push-ups. So I'm at a pretty good start. So now that I have the first 100 push-ups out of the way, it's now part of my mindset. Like, I'm thinking about it, and it becomes easier for me to think about when I can do it again. So when I'm on the train, a lot of times I'll take advantage of that opportunity, especially if nobody's on the train, because I know I'm not going to get any weird looks as if I'm some sort of nut job. Of course, I'm sure there's some bearing to that, but beside the point, I still try to take advantage of that. I've been known to do push-ups on the way to the gym when I'm walking, and of course, when I get in the gym, the moment I get in, I put my bag down, put my things down, drop down, do another 25 push-ups. Now, when I do training, a lot of the classes will last, usually I'm done by 10 o'clock. Sometimes it goes longer, sometimes I have a different schedule, but usually that stays pretty true to what the time is. So I'll do push-ups in between when I'm telling them to get a water break, or I'll even make my clients do it with me sometimes at the end of a session. And also, in the middle of the day, when I usually don't train, I'm either doing workout videos or I'm editing, and during that time, I will also take advantage of doing push-ups. My point is, I do believe there are ways you can find little gaps, 25, 30-second gaps in your day. Find those gaps and just count them. Go in your mind and think, okay, here's a gap that I can do it. There's another gap that I can do it. Before you realize it, you might have 10 or 15 gaps. That's 10 or 15 sets. And based on how many reps that you want to do for each set, you'd be surprised at how many push-ups you can do and the number you can rack up for the entire week. Just think about it. Let's just say you did 10 sets throughout the day. And those 10 sets, you did, 10 reps, making it an even 100 push-ups. If you actually did that 4 days a week, like I did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, that's 400 push-ups for the week. That's 800 for 2 weeks. That's 1,600 for a month. Who said I couldn't count? So that is my challenge to you. I want you to look at your day, and I want you to pick out your gaps. Those 15, 20, 30 seconds of your day that you can literally break away, stop, and do push-ups. You could take pictures of it, take video of it. I have all my social media below, so tag me, put it on my Facebook, put it on my Twitter account or Instagram, or even just leave a comment below. Tell me how many you did, tell me how many days you did it, and perhaps we can take all these pictures and make a collab video of it. And I don't know if it goes well. Let's just see how many we can accumulate together. Maybe I'll have a push-up count or something. I don't know. There are no rules in the fitness where it has to be 2 hours a day, where it has to be 30 minutes or 10 minutes. If it's just little sections here and there, if it's throughout the day, you're at least thinking about it. And if you're thinking about it more often, you're more likely to do it. And that's making fitness lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Always remember, eat healthy, train hard, have fun. I'm Relentless Jake. You remember to stay focused, stay dedicated. I can't wait to see and hear about your push-up challenges. And I'm out. We are